raindrops tapped the ground. They woke to make a joyful sound. Splish, splash, tip, tap, hear our song. Dancing puddles all day long. Every drop's a drum for two. We're the singing, splashing shoes. They twirled and spun with merry feet, clicking rhythms light and sweet. Each puddle rang with silver chime, keeping perfect playful time. The raindrops clapped from roofs above. The shoes sang loud with notes of love. Their voices echoed bright and clear, a tune that children longed to hear. Down the lane they skipped away, kicking water bright and gay, splattering rainbows wide and tall, painting colors overall. The birds peeked out from leafy trees, hummed along with melodies. Frogs joined in with croaky tunes, dancing shoes beneath the moon. Splish, splash, tip, tap, let's all sing. Jump in puddles, joy we bring. Rainy days are never blue with the dancing, singing shoes. Their laces swung like violin bows, each step a melody that grows. The puddles sparkled, leapt with glee, alive with rain's sweet symphony. At last the clouds began to part. The sun peeked out with golden heart. The shoes still hum, though softer now, with raindrops drying on their brow. And every storm since that bright day, children hope to hear them play. Two little shoes with songs so true, that love to sing and dance for you.